So I want to go over the syllabus with you right now. You can find it on the website. And how do you get to the website? The easiest way is to just Google my name again, Kevin Kung, Kevinkung. And the very first thing on Google will be the website. So I can show you that. If you just Google my name, Kevin Kung, Kevinkung, the very first thing that you find says Kevin Kung Chemistry Google Sites. That's where you can find a syllabus. In a different video, I will explain to you how to navigate through a website. But right now, let me just go through the syllabus. So here's the syllabus for Honors Chemistry Fall 2020 Online Learning. This is a different syllabus than what I've done before or what we've done in chemistry because, well, this is the first time ever where we've been online only. So this is a modified syllabus for online learning. The major thing that has been changed is grading. So you can read through the stuff yourself. I'm not going to go through all the details, but I'm just going to highlight some of the important things, especially grading. Another thing I want to mention is the textbook. The textbook, which you will eventually get, maybe. Also, I'll explain in another video where you can find a textbook. The textbook looks like this, if it shows in the video. It's kind of hard because this is a dark room right now. And if I turn on the lights, then you won't be able to see the screen because this is not a fancy projector. But it's called General Chemistry, The Essential Concepts, 5th edition by Raymond Chang. And it looks, again, maybe if I put it in this light, looks like this. It's a bluish cover. Again, it's called General Chemistry, The Essential Concepts by Raymond Chang. It is the 5th edition. I think I know there are newer editions, but we are using a 5th edition. Okay, so let me get through grading. So grading for this semester is made up of pretty much just 3 things. First thing, 10%, the final exam and or culminating project. That's going to be at the end of the semester. Right now, there will be something, whether it's an exam or some sort of culminating project, there will be something at the end of the semester. That's 10% of the grade. Next thing is labs and projects. That's 25% of grade. And the biggest part of the grade, which is about 2/3, is I just labeled it as online curriculum, 65%. 65 plus 25 plus 10 is 100% total. So let me go through each of those things, starting with the online curriculum. Online curriculum, it's what we're doing right now. It's all the stuff that's online. There's lots of assignments, especially synchronous ed puzzles, in which you are doing right now. They'll be posted and due at a certain time. The online curriculum will include lots of lectures by the teacher. That's me, Mr. Kung. Questions, there will be questions that will be asked during the online curriculum that will be graded automatically when submitted and entered in a grade book. At some point after a due date, any assignments not submitted will be marked, quote, missing and scored with a 0. So let's say an assignment is due on Tuesday, and it's now Wednesday. At some point after Tuesday, if you do it by Tuesday, that's fine. I mean, it's due by Tuesday, but it's now Wednesday, and you have not done the online curriculum. If you don't do it, then it will be at some point, maybe it's not Wednesday, maybe it's Thursday, but at some point, I'll mark it on the Schoology website as missing. I'm just going to go online and there's a button that teachers can push that says fill in all blank cells, so anything with a no score as a missing, and that will automatically be scored with a 0. Does that mean you can't do it now and it's for sure a 0? No, there will be ways you can still do it, but there's a certain limit of how much time you can do it. but you can still do it, and if you do it after the due date, it will fill in the missing 0 with whatever grade that you got. But there will be, I'm not going to let you do this all in December before the semester ends and do the entire semester all at once. There will be definitely some limits to that, and I'll explain that more at some future time. Labs. Labs, which are labs and projects. I didn't put projects on here, but labs and projects are 25% of the grade. This is an online class, and so there are going to be online labs. What will that entail? Well, you'll see in your first online lab, but the labs are going to be primarily computer simulations. And maybe it'll be something I can show you that's a little bit challenging, but a lot of them will be online simulations, and there will be questions that you'll have to answer and submit. The final exam culminating project, again, that'll be at the end of the semester, so we're talking about December. I haven't figured that out yet, whether it'll be an exam or it'll be in a project, but expect something at the end of the semester that will be 10% of your grade. This is all subject to change. I just want to put that here. With any outstanding circumstances and situations that may occur, and this is all new. Who knows what may change, and I don't want to say this is 100% set in stone, but it's pretty much what we have for right now. But just in case something that I don't know about, none of us know about, happens, it can be modified from there. Okay, well, that is the syllabus, and thank you, and we're going to go on to the next topic.